Mechanical watch. A lot of teeny moving parts. Not imported what brand is it, what caliber is it. But sooner or later, all of them have same problem. Good question. What is this? What is typically damage or worn part in mechanical watch? It doesn't matter, it's manual wind or automatic. This is a great example. It's one of my last order. Customer sent for basic maintenance 4 Omega SEAMASTER 600. All of them had same problem. Okay, what was that? This is the answer. Mainspring. 4 Omega watches for basic maintenance, full service. And same problem, completely worn out mainspring. Now I show you difference between brand new and worn out. You can believe or not, but this scrap is only from this year. And now is April, not including the last 4 one. Mechanical watch can work and can work well. The most important 2 parameters are amplitude and power reserve, of course, and timekeeping. On mainspring like this one, mechanical watch will of course work, but amplitude will be low and the watch will have a low power reserve. Now I show you difference between completely worn out mainspring and brand new. Same mainspring for same caliber, Omega 600. Pay attention to geometry. And brand new, good mainspring should be completely flat. Thank you for watching, and remember, keep your vintage timepieces in good condition. See you.